We're all set to go. This is Kuya Christian, our guide for today. And Mount Mayon is looking beautiful.
Mabigot lang po eh.
Ano po yan? I don't know if you can hear me. But the Mount Mayon volcano is looking so beautiful this morning. Luck is on our side. We're taking the ATV today, so hoping that the view of Mount Mayon will stay like that. Yesterday it was so filled with clouds. It was surrounded with clouds, so you really couldn't tell that there was an actual active volcano there. Now it's looking beautiful. Now let's go to our ATV. We are so late. We're 30 minutes late at this point. Oh, wow. Beautiful time to go on ATV. Best to do it in the morning so you can protect your skin from the sun. Yesterday we made a reservations around 12 in the afternoon or close to 1 p.m. and the heat was scorching. So right now I would say the heat is still scorching, but at least it's not going to be as hot as it would be if it was 12 noon. Mount Mayon, we're coming for ya. What's our time check right now? Hopefully, because we're supposed to be here at 22. 22:07. And we're supposed to be here at 6. Not bad. We walked so fast. So we're here. Yeah, I was looking at the picture saying he looks like Boy George. He actually really does. Chameleon. He's definitely not Boy George, but he looks like Boy George. We're so early that no one's here. Mayon Sky Drive is who we're booked with, and you can actually have so many options around here to get a cheaper version, but we just have a funny feeling that if we stinge on our ATV experience, they might give us this the cheap version of like the entire route or route as well. So we don't want to do that for a difference of maybe 300 pesos or 400 pesos. We might as well get the full professional package. And we're just waiting for our guide to, I think, do us a little briefing. We chose 3 long routes today, so I'm so excited for that. In total, we were charged 4,000 pesos per person, but we were able to get a discount, so we got it for 7 pesos. I'm making friends with you. Come here. Come here. Puppy. Doesn't like me. Come here, so cute. It's just a puppy, so cute. There are a lot of different buggies to choose from. I think Eddie's getting a yellow one, but I like a red. I used to ride a big bike, an F700 PM, and that was red. So yeah, I'm definitely getting a red one. What color is yours? Yeah, so Eddie just says whatever's new, but I kind of want to go for a red one. I was actually telling Eddie that I do wish they had a motocross version of the ATVs. I would totally do this probably 2 days straight in a row. Right now the ATVs look really fun and exciting, definitely safer and easier to obviously ride, but I quite like the challenge, and I do love motocross biking, so maybe in the future this area would come up with a motocross version of ATVs. Puppy! Mimi, come here, we're friends! We're gonna do a quick briefing. I think Eddie has a yellow ATV, I've got a red one, and our tour guide for today has got a red one as well. We're just gonna do a quick briefing. No, we're not matching because you wanted a fast one. Eddie was going for the fastest one. I just want the red one, and as long as the engine's good, it's got power, I'm okay. I thought, what? Let's just match then.
Ma'am, pag re-reverse, lagay niyo lang sa pinakauli.
Okay.
So, press nyo siya dahan-dahan, mabigot lang. Halimbawa naman tayo.
go. This is Kuya Christian, our guide for today. And Mount Mayon is looking beautiful. I can see some clouds already starting to form, so we're gonna hit the road. We're giving Kuya Christian our GoPro. And let's go have an adventure. You ready, Lovey? Yeah? Okay. I'm ready. Ready. Let's hit the road, Jack. Lovey, say hi. Check out our view. Look at that view. Oh my god. And Christian. Wow, look at that view. Eddie speaks really good Tagalog, and now we're gonna have some snacks overlooking what else? Mount Mayon, the very active volcano. This is our first stop. We're at the Green Lava Point. This is one of the long routes or routes getting to Mount Mayon. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to ATV all the way up there, so we just have a couple of high points that we're going to be going to. The way here is quite nice. We passed a little bit of water streams. There are a lot of coconut trees and lots of ashes, leftover ashes from the Mount Mayon eruption. But that's quite a while. 1814 was the last major eruption. So right now we're going to continue on with our ATVs and head to 2 more long points. But so far, the journey's been nice and sunny. We're very lucky that we have a clear sky right now of the clear view of the Mount Mayon, because yesterday it was filled with clouds. First checkpoint, we have to pay 100 pesos per head. This is like the environmental fee. And then we have to pay 2 more fees on our next 2 stopovers. So let's hop on our, not bikes, let's hop on our ATVs, our 4-wheel buggies, and let's hit the road, Jack. Let's hit the road, Eddie. Let's hit the road, Kuya Christian.
Yeah.